Breaking news! Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, makes a surprising move. Despite past criticism, he now owns Bitcoin. According to Justin Sun, stay tuned as the crypto landscape welcomes an unexpected player into the game. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. Breaking! Copa and CoinDesk forged email claim on Craig's wife is debunked. It wasn't a forgery, it was an error by someone in the chain. The original email was sent when it was supposed to be sent, but it wasn't passed down the chain in time. Next up, my mind can't process to believe that Bitcoin is at $57,000 and alts are still at $32,000 price. And I guess range as well. Next up, Bitcoin is enjoying a fantastic pre-halving rally and altcoins are just waiting for their moment in the sun. The Q1 altcoin hype cycle is beginning to take off. Also, what do we have there more? When I saw this clip, I sold everything. Now I'm waiting on the sidelines for someone to give me 1,000 to take their Bitcoin. Anything above the 1,000 is too expensive because, well, no intrinsic value. I'm relying on the experts, not these idiots on Twitter who keep telling me to buy. And by the way, this is just a joke. Next up, Bitcoin is pushing deeper into overbought conditions again. Contrary to popular belief, overbought conditions is where Bitcoin generally thrives. Send it higher and let it go to the moon. As crazy as it sounds, if we can turn 57,000 into support, 65,000, 69,000 Bitcoin is right around the corner. Also, and the monthly Ichimoku Golden Cross just happened. People are not ready for what's coming in the crypto market. Fasten your seatbelts, it is about to go wild. After a strong day, the Bitcoin ETFs are pushing higher in the pre-market hours again, as yesterday saw less than 500 million inflows to the ETFs, and a couple more days of that and we will be flying past all-time highs. Going to be a huge wick. Also, I'm going to suggest something that I've been thinking about for a couple of weeks, but I haven't spoken about it publicly yet. And I think it's possible that a Bitcoin ETF approval could kickstart a speculative attack and lead to hyper-Bitcoinization. As the beginning of ETFs holding spot Bitcoin alongside interactive brokers, low borrowing rates, currently at 583%, presents an unprecedented opportunity for leveraging Bitcoin at the lowest interest rates available in a global financial market. This significantly enhances Bitcoin as collateral. ETFs open the potential for a massive positive feedback loop: borrow, create dollars, and buy Bitcoin. This very active values the dollar and increases the value of Bitcoin, and it can be repeated over and over again. And as Bitcoin Pierre stated in 2014, the feedback loop between fiat inflation and Bitcoin deflation will throw the world into full hyper-Bitcoinization. As the future of money is Bitcoin and the transition is already underway, this is hyper-Bitcoinization. Next up we go with, just in 189 million leveraged Bitcoin positions were liquidated in the last 24 hours. Get wrecked. Also, the feeling when you stacked to the gills with Bitcoin and everyone realizes they severely under-allocated to finite digital property. But anyone worried that they missed the boat should ask themselves one question: what is the total addressable market for a product that gives people more stress-free time with their loved ones? How many people want something that can pull their retirement forward by multiple decades? How many people want the financial security and ironclad private property rights? The answer is every single person on Earth wants those things. Everyone. Bitcoin has the largest TAM of any products on Earth and it just IPO'd. And it was engineered to help people take their time back from the central banking time thieves, and it is still underestimated and misunderstood by pretty much everyone. It's trading at a fraction of its actual value to humanity. Congrats to everyone who stayed focused and remember that what they owned through the bear market, and you were right, so very right. And now you get to enjoy the show that is going on right now. Huge day for Bitcoin as ETFs was $520 million of net inflows yesterday, the third largest and biggest day since launch, as Bitcoin ETFs have taken it in $6 billion in just 31 trading days, net of grayscale outflows. Also, the next one we go with, Bitcoin's year-to-date return in 2024, 22%, and the FOMO hasn't even begun. And looking at the history, we could see that 2023 was 156% increase, and this year just started and it's not even FOMO, and we're already 22% up. That's good and that's crazy, I would say. Warren Buffett owns a Bitcoin, Tron founder claims. Founder of the Tron blockchain, Justin Sun, has published a tweet to say he believes that the founder of the Berkshire Hathaway investment fund and one of the world's wealthiest men, Warren Buffett, holds one Bitcoin. He stated it is despite a well-known fact that Buffett is a Bitcoin critic who referred to Bitcoin as a rat poison squirt 6 years ago, thus warning investors not to get involved with the world's leading digital currency. Sun believes Buffett still holds gifted crypto, as Justin Sun, the creator of Tron blockchain and owner of Poloniex and Huobi exchanges, seems to believe that the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's nickname in financial circles, continues to hold the Bitcoin that Sun presented to him during the charity dinner that took place in 2020. Sun won a chance to have the dinner with Buffett after donating $456 million to Buffett's wife's charity with permission to bring several friends. Sun spread the word about it, and among those who came to dinner was Litecoin founder Charlie Lee, founder of the eToro Yoni Asiya, and top executive of Binance Helen Haiyui, as CZ said he would be unable to present, although he also received an invitation from Sun and several others. During the meal, they talked about various subjects including Tesla, Bitcoin, Tron, and crypto in general. Despite the fact that Sun was unable to convert Buffett into a crypto supporter, he presented the renowned investor with Samsung Galaxy crypto smartphone, which held slightly more than 1 Bitcoin and 1,930,000 Tron. Now Sun has tweeted that Buffett still holds that single Bitcoin, even though according to several reports, those wallets have remained untouched. As notably, the Tron founder tweeted the same thesis a year ago. Max Kaiser calls Michael Saylor new Warren Buffett, as in a recent published tweet, Bitcoin maximalist Max Kaiser referred to MicroStrategy and its founder, Bitcoiner Michael Saylor, as the new Berkshire Hathaway and the new Warren Buffett, but 100 times bigger and better. And on Monday, MicroStrategy purchased another enormous Bitcoin chunk of 3,000 Bitcoins for approximately $155 million. A sentiment data agency believes that this purchase was one of the drivers that pushed the Bitcoin price above the $50,000 level later that day. El Salvador to open Bitcoin schools with revenue from Bitcoin investments. Bitcoin prices are reaching new heights, and the investment arm of Binance Exchange is persisting with its investment in preparation for a new bull market. Binance invests in projects, and Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, today invested in Babylon protocol, which allows for staking of Bitcoins on POS blockchains and earning returns without the need for any third-party custody, bridge solution, or wrapping service. And pioneering the concept of Bitcoin staking, Babylon addresses a significant need, as Yi, co-founder of Binance and head of Binance Labs, wrote about their recent investment. And he says that El Salvador government is about to join in this one and make the building schools off the profits they get. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.